guys, so this is CACI Liverpool. Now we're doing books in the Bible. Alright, so Steph, give me a book in the Bible starting with S.
Samuel.
Great. Phil, a book in the Bible starting with Z.
Zachariah.
Okay.
Hey.
Chairman Bills, a book in the Bible starting with D. Daniel. Okay. All right. Hi. Give us a book in the Bible starting with P.
Peter.
Okay. Yeah. All right. Okay, a book in the Bible.
Hey, y'all, come look at this.
Starting with R.
R.
Yeah.
Ruth.
Okay. All right. Yes, a book in the Bible starting with G.
Genesis.
Woo!
A book in the Bible starting with J.
John.
Okay. Who's coming next?
Gordy.
All right, Gloria. Let's see. Let's find a difficult one.
Oh no.
I mean, a harder one.
T.
Okay, so everyone is saying T.
Thessalonians. First Thessalonians.
Okay. On the first, the cracker home. Great. The last one. Who's coming to do the last one? Okay, so you started, you are ending.
Yeah.
All right. A book in the Bible. Let's see how quick and smart you are with the Bible.
Okay.
A book in the Bible starting with you.
You.
A few moments later.
No, I am.
So there's no book in the Bible.